Israel planning new settlements in Flashpoint City. International law considers all Jewish settlement building in occupied West Bank illegal. US Assad regime delay works of Constitutional Committee. Assad regime clearly violates Constitutional Committee rules of procedure, says US State Department. Iraqi premier hands resignation to parliament. At least 348 Iraqis killed, 15,000 others injured so far in country rocked by protests since October 1. Iraq parliament accepts premier's resignation. Resignation came amid protests against corruption and poor living conditions. Bomb explosion in June 16 in Iraq's Kirkuk. No group claims responsibility for explosions. UK PM says 74 convicted terrorists were released early. Boris Johnson says his great-grandfather knew Quran off by heart, responding to Islamophobia claims. Yusuf Islam, peace requires a lot of efforts. Peace not achieved without disturbance. More to do with holistic view of human life, says British musician. Istanbul Financial Center to be a role model. Malaysian CEO, upcoming project to be successful as it sits in middle of Asia, Europe and Mid East, says Farah Jafar Crosby. Bus accident kills 22 tourists in Tunisia. 21 tourists were injured in accident. Key Rohingya campaigners face election threats. Two Myanmar Buddhist and leading Rohingya campaigners in Europe claim they face threat from Myanmar. Pakistan welcomes US willingness to help Afghan peace. Trump's continued willingness for political settlement in Afghanistan, positive development. Pakistani Foreign Minister. Lockdown puts education in Kashmir on back burner. Students suffering with no hope of secure future in region.